What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Every time I'm recording a video, there's either a cop or an ambulance or a plane passing by. It's like they know when I'm going to start recording and they head out. Anyways, welcome back to another video. Your boy Javi here. Hope you guys liked the last review that I did on the here on the channel on the Silvia S14 Koki. Not the Koki, I don't want to call it a Koki. It's the S14 Silvia Autech MFT, super rare car from Kuruma Imports. Much love to them for letting me go over and record it and just bringing you guys reviews. We are continuing with the Monday review series, but the way that I'm working right now, it's almost nearly impossible to kind of edit it and review it and just upload it on Monday. So we're kind of going to scrap the whole Monday review series, but we are going to continue reviewing vehicles and we are going to be showing it here on the channel. But for today's video, as you guys can see on the title, I wanted to update you on the car and the Integra and what's happening. The car still hasn't gone off to paint, and the reason for that has been Thanksgiving. I want to also wish you guys a happy late Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys got to spend it very well with your family and just had a great all time, and much blessings to everybody here in the channel. But anyways, let's jump into it right away. So I did get some parts for the Integra. Some parts have arrived for the Integra, and you might want to stick to the end of the video so I can show you guys what is it that I got as everything starts to come in little by little. Also, I got a nice little package over from the people over from Super Clean. I'm going to be showing you guys that too. So I wanted to update you on what's happening to the Integra. As you guys know, the dash is out, the whole AC component is out. I did started removing some stuff. We're going to jump into it on the video. I started recording this video after Thanksgiving, but some footages were done before Thanksgiving because I kind of been all over the place with work and with trying to get the car over to paint, which at the end ultimately I didn't have it because the gentleman took off for vacation for Thanksgiving, so the car's still here. But I also wanted to tell you guys that I no longer have the B20 or the transmission. That's gone. My boy Sergio picked it up. Much love to Sergio. I guess he's going to be putting it into a vehicle or doing some sort of swap, or maybe just holding on to it because they are getting pretty rare to find. It is a come to find out it was a JDM B20, but since we're not going to do a B20 anymore or a B series, we're going full K. I started ordering some of the K parts already, and they have been arriving. Haven't arrived yet. They haven't gone in here yet, but they are on the way. For today's video, I am going to show you the previous footages that I recorded from the beginning of Thanksgiving, and we're going to jump into that. And like I said, you might want to stick to the end of the video so I can show you guys what some of the parts that I got. AC components removed, dashes removed. The car is pretty much ready for paint, and we're going to jump into it. So hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get it. Alright guys, so I wanted to tell you guys something a little bit. I've been noticing on my analytics on the channel that a good 90% of the people who are watching the videos are not subbed to the video. If you guys are liking the content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs up. Really supports the channel, really helps your boy. Also, going back and forth, I was talking to a customer service agent over from YouTube because some of the videos have been dropping in views, and it just kind of wasn't making sense with the 7,000 subscribers that we almost have, which I love you guys. I love all of you, and thank you guys for the support. That some of you guys have been reaching out to me that you guys are not getting the notifications that the videos are popping up or that the videos are being uploaded. So I ask you guys that if you guys are subscribed to the channel, to please hit the bell and hit the notification so whenever I upload, you guys get to see the videos. Because I've been getting DMs and messages from people who haven't seen my channel in over 4 or 5 months, and all of a sudden they see a video and they said, man, I've missed a bunch of videos from the Integra or what you've been doing because I'm not getting the notifications. So I asked you guys that again. If you guys are subbed to the channel, remember to hit the bell, the notification bell, so you guys do get the notifications when I upload a video and you guys don't miss a single beat from the Integra build. So let's continue the video. All right, so the airbag for the passenger side is pretty much out. I'm not going to be running an airbag, obviously, because we're doing a complete build, and that's going to be pretty much worthless. So this is the passenger side. Now I just have to go and install it there. The rest is here, which is this piece that everyone knows. And then eventually I'll get like a carbon fiber one just to put on the dash. But this is already gone. I got it. I always store these. I put them in a little Ziploc bag just to have them there for extra. You never know. So let's continue. All right, guys. So the next thing that I want to jump on, obviously, as I send the car over to paint, is I want to do this complete wire harness for the headlights. This is the front of the headlights of the wire harness. Got this guy here. He's always on my videos, always being my companion there, but he's just being lazy. Look at him. So this is the beginning of the wire harness right here. which I really have to do. And this is everything that comes, and this is where it goes into the firewall. Now, this grommet right here, I got to order it. This grommet right here is pretty much toasted. I don't know if this was due to the years of it, or, you know, as you guys can see, it has a hole there. And these plugs are extremely dirty, so I'm gonna have to clean these out. So the whole point, or the whole job to do this stuff, is that I'm going to depin every plug that's here. I'm gonna clean it up, re-lume everything with some heat shrink, and just from the regular lume that you guys see on your nice right wire and your regular wire harness that you could buy aftermarket. Look at this grommet. This grommet is pretty much toasted. So we're gonna be doing this whole wire harness in the upcoming week, and yeah, that will be the next part of the build. As I continue, hopefully the car will be going off to paint by next week. And I just got on the mail this car cover. Pretty much just ordered a car cover from Budget. They've been around for a while, but I ordered it from Amazon. This is the one that's gonna cover the car for now till it goes off to paint. It was gonna go to paint last week, but due to Thanksgiving and everything that happened, we decided to push it back a little bit. I am working on the inside part of the dash. Let me show you guys the inside part that pretty much goes in there, and I'm actually painting it right now, and I'm using this Rust Preventive again, which is the primer, and then I'm going to hit it with the black. I'm going to show you guys. So this is the piece that's on the inside of the dash. You guys know that these pieces get rusted like super quick, so I've sanded it down and I pretty much hit it with the primer. I'm going to hit it one more coat with the primer, and we're going to spray paint it black, and then we're going to put it back in the dash. I still haven't found a dash. If I don't find a dash by the time the car is almost ready to go, then that's obviously going to go back in, and then we'll figure out the dash problem down the road, whether we get another one or whatnot. But I'm going to spray paint this black, and we're going to put it back in. Alright guys, so it's actually nighttime, and I already finished painting the piece. Obviously this is something no one's going to see, so if I hit it with black, but there's obviously like spots there that I missed a little bit, which is no big deal. No one is going to see this, but I hit it with a black anti-rust in order for this not to rust. So I'm actually working a little bit on the cables now. I put a little bit of heat shrink on the cables, put some black electrical tape, and then just put everything back together and just keep everything nice, and continue working. All right, so everything is back on. Clip this here, clip this one here. But the ground, I forgot that the ground obviously needs metal on metal, so I had to sand a little bit there. But this is how this cable turned out. This one here, get the little heat shrink there, and then just did the wiring, just the electrical wire. So yeah, this is pretty much done. Just that black piece, just a little bit of retouch on the dash. Like I said, if I can't find another dash, then this one's gonna go back in, and that's about it. So for this part, this is done, thank God, because it's just looking very, very ugly. As you guys can see, I did a little bit of work on the dash. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this dash. I'm still searching for a dash. If for some reason I cannot find a dash, then we'll go ahead and put that one back on. That one is not in bad condition, but some of the clips are a little bit broken, so I don't want anything rattling in there once the car is finished and I'm able to drive it. I don't want anything rattling. So I went ahead and painted some of the inside part of the dash that were supposed to horribly rusted from the years of the car, because those things tend to rust a lot. So sanded it down, primered it, painted it black anti-rust just to make sure it won't rust again. And yeah, so let's jump on to opening the car parts on the packages that I got, because you guys are gonna love it. All right, so I really wanted to open up the packages that I got for the Integra so you guys can see. This is from Super Clean. This, obviously there's no car parts here. This is obviously just gonna help for the cleaning. This is Super Clean. They've been a sponsor to the channel for a long time. I will leave a description below. I will leave a link in the description below where you guys can get some of these products. These products are amazing. You see them a lot of my videos, and I want to give a huge shout out to them for sponsoring the channel for a long time already. It's been over a year now that they've been sponsoring the channel. So they sent me some of their stuff so I could read up, because I was kind of going low on it already. So this is just your regular degreaser dissolvent. Amazing. I got a few of these. This is actually the wheel cleaner. You guys can see it here. This is very easy. This one you just spray it on, leave it on for about 30 seconds, let it do its work. Maybe brush it off a little bit if there's a lot of dirt, and then just wash it off. And then we have its spray, which is the foam sprayer. You guys saw it as I was doing it on the engine bay, which is so tough that I was actually even taking off some of the paint. But I got two of the foam sprayer here. This is an amazing product for your barbecue cleaning, for anything you need to do. If you need to clean your lawnmower or anything you need to do, this is an amazing degreaser. I would think that this is actually even stronger than your conventional degreaser that you get over the counter at the Advanced Auto Parts. So let's jump into the Integra parts that I ordered. These came straight from Japan, so I'm excited, man, because to receive parts on the build, it's more motivation. Anyway, so what do we got here? We have the front complete molding OEM. Obviously, I don't really do much anything else than OEM for the vehicles. This came straight from Japan. This is the complete OEM kit for the front windshield. This is all the gaskets. So if we open it here, we get the little cushioning that goes inside on the inside part of the glass. When you remove the glass, this is the inside part that you put in. Will I be removing the glass on the Integra? Yeah, most likely for the paint job I will be, and that's going to be installing it back together. We have all the clips. All the clips came together. They gave me two. They came with two of the moldings, two of the rubbery moldings. I honestly had to open it up to give it a little bit of a look. This is the right side. This would be the left side. You guys can see the Honda part number there. You guys can see it. This would be the left side of the molding. These are all brand new OEM. So the left side of the molding goes clipped to the top part of the molding, which is this one right here. And you guys can see it. I opened this one up so you look at it a little bit. You guys can give it a look there. If it focus, yeah. So this will go on the top part of the molding. And then if we go in here, this is the right side, the other part of the molding. This will be the other part number. If you guys are there checking it out. So we have left and right, we have the top. And then if we screw down more, this is definitely all the way in the end. Let me get it. All right, guys, so this will be the clips that go on the body. These are the clips that go on the body. This is the Honda part number right here. If you guys are looking to purchase it, this will be the clips that would be placed on the body before you clip these on. So we have all the clips. We also have some of the firewall clips that go, not the firewall, but the top, I would say the top of the firewall where the glass goes. And these are the orange clips that go all along the side of the glass, and that's where you clip on the molding. So this is pretty much it. This is the beginning of everything that we are starting to buy for the car. I need to do all the moldings brand new. Everything is going to be brand new. So we're searching for the passenger side door, driver's side door, and the roof, also the roof moldings. But if you guys know, and if you guys, it becomes extremely hard to record out here because with all these planes passing by, but this is Florida for you. If you guys know where I could get the quarter panel, not the quarter, well, yeah, the quarter windows, brand new with the moldings, obviously, that they come together for this car, please can you DM me or send me or write a comment here and I'll reach out to you, because those quarter windows are pretty much discontinued. You can't find them anywhere. So I am looking for the quarter windows for the car, brand new OEM spec, nothing else, to put them in the car. So this is it for today's video, guys. These are the parts that we got. Thank you for Super Clean for sponsoring again the channel. I will leave a link to the description. Not much has been done on the Integra other than just cleaning out the engine bay. Car is ready for paint. So quick before we jump out of the video and we close it out, I had decided to go for a color, and I'll tell you guys what color that was. And I no longer will go for that color because I saw it and it wasn't pretty much to my liking. So I pretty much said that we were going to go to a very rare color, a Nissan color, and I wasn't going to reveal it until the car came back. And that color was going to be Millennium J green, if that's the color code, I believe, yeah. But went to the shop, mixed it up, hit it on a few panels, and I really didn't like the way that it was coming out. I really didn't like, because it's a weird color. When the sun hits it, it becomes a little bit of a different green, almost brownish. I could be wrong. It just, I looked at it online, I looked at it on a couple of Integras, and they looked amazing and it looked great, and I said that's what I want to do. But when I did it in person, I really didn't like it. So for the color, I'm still not going to reveal it. We've decided to go with another color. You guys are going to have to wait until I get it back from paint. But we saw that color, we put it on some of the panels that I took the gas cap, stuff like that, and that was the color we're going to go with. But anyways, thank you guys for subscribing and tuning in to the channel. Remember, guys, if you guys are not receiving the notifications, or if you guys are not getting the notifications when I upload the videos, make sure you hit the bell. And for the guys who are coming in, for the ladies and gentlemen who are coming in and tuning into the channel, because there's like about 90% of the viewers who I'm getting for the videos are not subscribed to the channel. If you guys are liking the content, please hit the subscribe button. Your boy will be uploading weekly until this Integra is running, and then we got something special coming. I'm gonna leave it right there. We got something special coming. It's gonna take about 3 to 6 months for it to arrive, and you guys can kind of get an idea, but it's coming. It's coming. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to tune in. Your boy's out.